The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you've had a good start to your day. Well, yesterday we certainly saw a wild bit of a day. We started the day looking quite bearish and we swung the day above 4,000, and it looks likely it will close above 4,000 on Bitcoin leading into the close in about an hour and a half's time on my time frame. So what a wild day. Will we see Bitcoin now push on? Will we see 4,000 being left behind? Well, I certainly hope that we do, but time will tell. It'll be the best indicator of that, of course. With hindsight, we can know everything. I'm going to go through a couple of things right now, kicking off with the news. There's talk about Bitcoin miner going ahead with an IPO attempt. I can understand why. Another bit of news here on price. Zoom's past 4,000, dragging the crypto market with it, and it certainly has done that. Pantera nears $175 million target for its new venture fund. So that's quite interesting. They're close to 175. That's a decent number in this market. For the economy, Tim Draper urges Argentina to legalize cryptocurrency. That'll be interesting if they can do that. Blockchain and cryptocurrency firms trying to open bank accounts face troubles in Malta. I have heard that. Green cryptocurrency to vote to change hard fork roadmap. Not really that interesting in the rest of it. This app exposes why. Nope, that's not really interesting. Most crypto exchanges still don't have clear KYC policies. Not interesting. Lightning offers growth path for emerging market crypto exchange. Crypto and analytics firm Messari introduces new exchange index following fake volume reports. Okay, so there's not that much groundbreaking stuff there. What I do find interesting is the Malta news and the 175 million raised or close to raised by Pantera. That's a positive. The bank account thing, not quite so positive, considering Malta was looking likely to be one of the leaders in the space as far as regulation and opening exchanges and being somewhat of a safe haven, if that's the right way of putting it. Anyway, back to the charts. When I look at Bitcoin right now, all I see is a big green candle. We are above 4,000. It is positive, and we're up 2.33%. We move now on to Ethereum, which is up 3.8% and sitting right around that $140 mark. Now, the daily chart doesn't look strong. It doesn't look weak. It just looks a bit of a mess. That's got to be the honest truth. The biggest mover in the top 10 today has been EOS. It is at $4.32, and it's up 14.16%. A really strong move. It's pushed on. It's still not hit those higher highs that we hit back in February 24. Now, that high back then was $4.53, so we're still 20 cents or so off of those highs, but certainly EOS is looking very strong. A pullback on that into that cradle zone would definitely be something that I would be interested in. It's just not there yet. Patience required. Stellar Lumen has pushed above again, having a 4.1% day to the upside, sitting around that 10.8 cents. Which was looking a little bit better on yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle now was bullish, but when I spoke to you, it was quite bearish. So not only has the market finished up today, but the rest of the market, from where it was when I spoke to you yesterday, it's pulled itself from those lows all the way up. So the day might only be up 2.3% on Bitcoin, but it's probably more like 3 to 4% based off of the lows this time yesterday. Quite a significant move. Ripple is sitting right around 31 cents, up 1.73%. Now, Ripple has been in a range for a very long time. It's been struggling to break out of that sort of 31 to 32 cent range for quite some time. It doesn't look like it's destined to finish anytime soon unless Ripple can come out with something that is quite interesting to the marketplace. As it stands, it's the slowest mover when the rest of the market moves. Litecoin again is up 4.18%, up $2.49 at $62.09. Again, hovering around those highs. It's certainly held its ground quite well. It'll be nice to see it push onto a new higher high and get some nice trend structure once again so I can trade it. Bitcoin Cash is up 6.12%, sitting bang on the nose, $171. And Bitcoin Cash right now, it is a little bit messy on that daily chart and 4 hour as well. Binance against dollar tether is up at $16.57. Now that's up 2.29% today. And again, it is holding up around its highs. A very strong looking chart there. It does need to push on the new highs for me to have that certainty of continuation. Tron is as much as it's kind of ranging on that daily between about 25 cents and sort of 22. Right now we are up 4.47%. And finally, Cardano. Look, there was a wonderful trade entry on the 8-hour a few days back, and I have to be honest, I really am bummed that I didn't get that. The reason I didn't get that was because I was interviewing somebody. Now, there was a great opportunity against the dollar, and there was a great opportunity against Bitcoin, both of which have moved on very, very well indeed. Unfortunately, not one that I was in at that stage because I wasn't able to be at the charts and raise my orders. Today, Cardano is up 8.4%, sitting right around that 6.6 cents. Guys, if you haven't already, get across to tradercobb.com, get yourself registered for the free bi-weekly video newsletter, and let's continue to give you more information on what's happening in the markets. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast is hosted by Craig Cobb. All Trader Cobb courses, products, and tools can be found at tradercobb.com because experience matters.